In this material world, mother will give love and affection. But Guru's love and affection 1,000 times than your parents. You cannot understand what kinds of parental mood in the heart of Guru. Every life you can get parents, mother, father. This is true. But here he is saying, Sakal janme sabe mata pita paay. Every birth you can get parents, father, mother. But Guru and Krishna not every life will get. Okay? So now coming in this way, Ramchandra, he told Lakshman, never you say any words against my father Dasarath Maharaj. If you tell again, I will give up to you. Then Lakshman hold the lotus feet of Lord Ramchandra. So Krishna reminds to him, Baladev, could you remember in my Ram Lila you came in the form of Lakshman, then you also disturbed my mood. Not only this, when I killed Ravana, then I returned back my Sita. Then I told you, Lakshman, you prepare the fire sacrifice, Agni Kanda. And Sita had to enter in the fire and she had to give the taste of her chastity. That time Lakshman became very angry. Lakshman, he became very angry with Ram. Hey brother, what are you saying? My mother Sita Devi, she is chaste lady. Why did you doubt about her? She is unchaste and she had to take test and enter in the forest. That time Lakshman told, Lakshman, listen I want to my real Sita. Then Lakshman said, what is meaning the real? That means this Sita is not real? Unreal. Duplicate Sita. Then Ramchandra told, Lakshman, this is true. This is not my consort Sita. This Sita is called, what Sita? Chaya Sita, shadow Sita, duplicate Sita. Ravan kidnapped, duplicate Sita, Chaya Sita. Origin Sita, now she is Kailas with Parvati Devi. When Ravan came in the cottage of Sita Devi, then origin Sita, she entered in the forest. First fire. And with the fire, Agni Devata, she went Kailas and stayed with Parvati Devi. Ravan is thinking, I kidnapped Sita, origin Sita. Actually, this is not true. Because Asura, how possible touch Ramchandra's consort, Sita Devi. So now Ramchandra told, hey Lakshman, this Sita, this is called Chaya Sita. She Chaya Sita again, she entered in forest, a fire, and origin Sita, she will come back from fire, then will accept. Then Lakshman realized. So for this regard, Krishna Lila, so for this regard, Krishna told Baladev, listen, in my Ram Lila you came in Lakshman, also disturbed to me. You also angry. In my Krishna Lila, also disturbed to me. But where? Krishna Lila, Baladev would disturb to Krishna? Where? In the battlefield of Kurukshetra, when Duryodhana and Bhima, they are fighting with the clubs, Gadajuddha. Because Duryodhana, he got the boon, his body completely hot, as like stone. Bhim and Duryodhana, they are fighting with clubs. Bhim about to defeat. Then Krishna told to Bhim, stuck his, what is called? Whips. Okay. Then Bhim with his clubs struck his thigh or this. That time Baladev Prabhu became very angry. Baladev Prabhu is the guru of Duryodhana and Bhima. He taught to them clubs. Baladev Prabhu become very angry. I will kill him because he broke the rules and regulation of fight. I did not give this type of lesson to you. Then Baladev Prabhu become very angry. And that time Krishna chastisement, Baladev Prabhu, hey thou bhaiya, listen. This is not the gamblings. This is not the wrestling place. Wrestling place? This is the place of fight. Why have you come here? In the beginning of the Kurukshetra fight, that time you went out for pilgrimage place. And now, end of the, you are coming to looking. What is your this? In the beginning you told, no, I will not take part anywhere. You do. What will do? And Kaurav Pandav, you are to fight yourself. I am not take part in it. I am going to Tirtha Jatra. And now you are coming back Tirtha Jatra or coming here. Do you know who broke the rules? Duryodhana, Dushasan, they broke the rules. Arjun son Abhimanyu. They killed at a time 7 armies. Saptarathi. That time also Duryodhana, Dushasan, Karna, Dronacharya, Jayadratha, all there. And that time he has no any weapons. That time they killed. So they broke the rules or not? And now you are coming and you are saying these rules. Who broke the rules? Then Baladev Prabhu come and quiet. So Krishna reminds, I will not take you with me. You disturb my lila. I will not take you. Then Baladev Prabhu very humble told, hey Krishna, please take me in your Gaur lila. I will never disturb to you. I will never complain to you anything. What you will do, you can do. Just I will go with you and assist your Nam Sankirtan. Then Baladev Prabhu has come in Gaur lila in the form of Nitai. So saying this thing. Akrodha Paramananda Nityananda Rai Abhimano Sunna Nitai Nagare Vedai. And Gaurila, now Baladev Prabhu very humble. Akrodha is never angry. Whatever Gaur Sundar, whatever he does want, and he also accepts. Never he complain. Hey Gaur Sundar, this is your fault, this is your fault. Krishna Lila, Ram Lila, sometimes he complain. But in Gaur Lila, Nityananda Prabhu, very humble. For this regard, in this song, explain. Akrodha Paramananda Nityananda Rai Abhimana Sunna Nitai Nagare Vedai. Akrodha Paramananda Abhimana Sunna Nitai Nagare Jare dekhe tare kahe samse sina dhari. Jare dekhe are hamare tiniya laha bala pura bhori. O jare dekhe tare kahe samse sina dhari. Are hamare tiniya laha bala pura bhori. Paramananda Nityananda Rai Abhimano Sunna Nitai Nagare Vedai. O Adama Pothita Shiver Dare Dare Giya लीजिए ना भोग? Not yet. Okay. How long you speak? Whole day. Almost 4 hours I'm speaking. Huh? Harikatha Prasad. Huh? So, Baladev Prabhu, he appeared in Gaur Lila in the form of Nityananda Prabhu. Gadadhar, Srimati Radhika, she appeared in the form of Gadadhar Pandit. And Gaur Lila, all kinds of devotees they assembled. Even Vaikuntha, Ayodhya, Dwaraka, Mathura, all devotees. Mahaprabhu is very generous. And even he called to Narad Rishi, "Hey Narad, come with me in my assist my Nam Sankirtan." So Narad Rishi, he comes in Gaur Lila in the form of Srivas Thakur. Yesterday I told our Srivas Thakur, great devotee of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Now Bhutan voice. Even Krishna called Sadasiv and Mahavishnu, all will come. So Sadasiv, Mahavishnu combined form appeared in the form of Advaita Acharya. So Nityananda, Advaita Acharya, Srivas, Gadadhar, and even all the devotees of Vaikuntha, Ayodhya, Dwaraka, he called to everybody, come here with me. Generally, Ram Lila, only they are coming. Those are devotees of Ayodhya Dham, they are coming. Krishna Lila, mostly those are devotees of Krishna Lilas, they are coming. But Mahaprabhu's Lila, one speciality. He brings all the devotees of Vaikuntha, Ayodhya, Dwaraka, Mathura, Golok Vrindavan. Come with me. Because he is generous. Come all, everybody come here. Vaikuntha is coming. Narad, what is called? Godur, what is his name? Murari Gupta is the incarnation of Hanuman. He is coming from Ayodhya Dham. Many devotees, all devotees are coming. Vasudev Datta. Gaur Ganadesh Devika explained. They say all devotees of Vaikuntha. And also Godura. Godur he also came. And Vaikuntha. Godur always staying in Vaikuntha Dham. Godura he also appeared. That is called, who is it? I think Sankar. Prahlad Maharaj also come. And Prahlad and Brahmaji. Godura he appeared, he is manifesting in the form, I think, Sankar, who always also laying down on the lotus feet of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. When Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu took rest, then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu put his lotus feet on his body. I think his name. Another also, what is his name? And many devotees. That's I forget. Gaur this because when Vaikuntha Bhakta, those were devotees of Vaikuntha, Gaurur, Visakshen. And not only the two what is called, doorkeepers, they are coming. Vaikuntha. Who is there? Joy and Vijay. Joy Vijay coming in Mahaprabhu's Lila. That is called Jagai Madhai Bolo Jaganandam Bandhupadhyay ki jai. Madhavananda Bandhupadhyay Jagai Madhai. Very nice Lila. And in this way, Lord Chaitanya, not only this, mostly Krishna Lila or Ram Lila, those who are the eternal associates of Lord, Nitya Parikar, they also coming and perform Lila. But Mahaprabhu's Lila, one thing, even demigods, they also attend Mahaprabhu's Lila. Not only this, even the sadhak, human being sadhak, also joined Mahaprabhu's Lila. Who is that? King Prataprudra. Prataprudra, he is not Siddha Mahatma. He is called Sadhaka. King Prataprudra. Look this. So Mahaprabhu's Lila, all kind of sadhak, siddha, everybody join. Generally Krishna Lila or Ram Lila, those are Siddha Mahapurush. And what is not Siddha Mahapurush, Jogmaya arranged to them. As like Kamsa, Putana. That the Jogmaya arranged this way. But Mahapurush Lila, many sadhakas also assembled. This Lila. So Mahapurush Lila, very sweet. And in this way, Nam Sankirtan Chaitanya Mahaprabhu distributed Nam to everyone. Then, what is it called? Mother Jasodasi appeared in the form of Sachi Devi. Nanda Maharaj appeared in the form of Jagannath Mishra. Actually also Devaki Vasudev also appeared in there. Mahaprabhu's Lila was a little bit complicated to understand. Gaura Ganadeva Devika explained this. Everything inside, very possible. Because Jogamaya arranged at a time Devaki Vasudev, and at a time Nanda Jasoda appeared in there. Pundarik Vidyanidhi, Vrishabhanu Maharaj, all Lila, all the others. Balo Simat Balo Chaitanya Mahaprabhu ki, Rajanandani Gaur Hari ki, Balo Gaura 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 Huh? Please louder. I can... Pardon? What is the question?
Sita was in Kailash.
Sita is in Kailash.
Yeah.
With Parvati Devi.
But then after, when Ramchandra was in the forest, crying like this, then Sati Devi is watching and she's becoming, some doubts coming and she's doubting Shiva. She's saying, how can this be Bhagavan? But then Sati and Parvati say,
And this is by Jogmaya. Others how to the Leela will perform.
well, she's like, but this Sati after becoming Bhagavan, you know?
You are saying when Ravan kidnapped Sita Devi, then Ramchandra completely bewildered man for Sita and crying as like a lusty person. Then your question is coming, then when this Leela is going on, that time Shivji smiled. Then Parvati Devi she asked, oh my husband, why you are smiling? Well, look how much Ramchandra Prabhu's Leela is going on. Then, that time, she told, Parvati Devi told, Ravan kidnapped Sita. We are demigod, we know where is Sita. If your Ram is Parabrahma Bhagavan, so how his bewilderment for his wife? Then Sita Devi then told, but this is actually Leela. But this is original Ram or duplicate Ram? That time, Swati Devi is the wife of Shivji. Swati Devi, this is going on. This is duplicate Ram or original Ram? Actually, this is the joke man, this arranged this way. Because they are Mukta Mahapurush. Sita Devi, what is called? Parvati Devi, or Lord Shiva, they are Mukta Mahapurush, they are not ordinary. Just Jogmaya, she arranged this Leela. Arjun never bewilderment for the who will die in the Kurukshetra. But according to Leela, and Krishna teaching to us, for Arjun, he became bewilderment. So in the same way, Leela Shakti, she arranged this way. You should not doubt that Sita Devi she is there. So how Sati Devi, the consort of Lord Shiva, she is saying, yeah, we know. Actually, this is the Jogmaya, she arranged this Leela. Otherwise, Leela will not perform. If you perform any Leela, you know I am this body. But you acting the role in front of the audience. You know I am that person. In the same way, Sati Devi, she knows everything. But according to this Leela, she is acting this role.
But then Shivji is giving very big chastisement. He's doing monograph.
Otherwise, why this way? This is teaching of the others. If you, here Shivji is Guru Tattva. Shivji is Vaishnava Tattva. One who criticizes Vaishnava or doubts with Guru or Vaishnava, then he loses his bhakti. Sati Devi, she did not lead this. Sati Devi, she original. But acting this role, just little drama, and teaching to us. What do you think this is? Are you thinking this or this? How to reconcile? Because he is saying this way. Kurma Puran also explain this way. Origin Sita, she entered in the fire and staying in Kailash with Parvati Devi. Because Agni Devata, because here the Puran, Agni Puran also explained that how Sita Devi she will stay Agni Devata. Agni Devata is male person. Sita Devi is female. So she cannot stay Agni Devata. Agni Devata brought in Kailash and Sita Devi, origin Sita, she was staying in Parvati Devi. This Leela is going on. Even Ramchandra also told these things. Ramchandra also told and Kurma Puran or other Purans were told, that I have to return back my origin Sita. My origin Sita now under guidance of Agni Devata. Actually, Agni Devata not inside of Agni Devata. Agni Devata become male person Agni Devata. Agni Devata, she took origin Sita with Parvati Devi or Sita, Sati Devi. This is
Why he's saying this seven planetary systems up, down. This Chaitanya Mahaprabhu coming one in one day of Brahma, but only Bhumanda or by every system.
pardon?
He's coming only planet Bhumanda only coming according to each one of them. Not the Lord, no?
No, try to understand. I told this Brahmanda. What is the Brahmanda? Brahmanda means 14 planetary system. You see that the picture is there. 14 Bhulo, Bhu, Bhuva, Maha, Jana, Tapa, Satta, Tal, Ata, Vitar, Sutta, Vasatal, Talatal, Pata. This is 14 planetary system, that is called one Brahmanda. But Krishna Lila or Gaur Lila, Ram Lila, only this Prithvi, not in heavenly planet, not in what is called Patal Lok, not in others. But this Brahmanda is going on this way. Understand? For this regard we are saying this Brahmanda is Prithvi Loka. Tailokke Prithvi Dhanna Jatra Vrindavana Sthita. In this planetary system, Prithvi is the fortune, Bhulok. Because in this Bhulok, only Lord, he performs his Leela, sweet Leela. Others Leela sometimes, that's it, Bamandev Leela, Sargolok also. But that is the incarnation, his incarnation Leela. Origin Krishna Leela, Gaur Leela, or what is called Krishna Leela, only Prithvi Lok, not in heavenly planet.
But then the presence of like Swaga, Patal, how did they come? They are having association of Mahaprabhu. They have strong spiritual yoga.
They coming from there, the Patal Lok, they are coming and also help to this. All the Nagalokas, they also coming and assisted with Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Even the demon. So for this regard, Chaitanya Bhagavat also explained, and अन्य जुगे जा छिलो असुर तारा हईल जा कृष्ण लीला गौर लीला तारा हईल बैरी रूप those who are demon they coming in Gaura Lila or Krishna Lila in the form of asura. They are coming also this way. Even the some asuras coming from Patal Lok or something this, they also against Gaura Lila. That a Brahmana, that something, those who are against, all they are also doing. Chaitanya Bhagavat also saying this way. Jata chilo ori Gaura Lila hoila tarasa boiri. Ori mani asura. Even the Brahmanas, understand? So in the very clearly explained also Puranas, Kali Yuga Brahmanas, most of the Brahmanas, those who are asura, they are called Jayante Brahmana Rupa Murtina. Sometimes the Brahmana listen, they become very angry. But this is the slok in the Puranas. In the other Yuga, that the demon, they manifest in the Kali Yuga in the form of Brahmana. Kalira Jayante Brahmana Murtina. In other Yuga, those were demon. Now they took birth in Kali Yuga in the form of Asura.
But then they're receiving blame from Mahaprabhu, giving blame to them.
Mahaprabhu giving every, yesterday I told. In this Kali Yuga, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu distributed blame. And yesterday I told 5 types of people, 6 types of people, they don't want to receive the mercy of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And 8 Dhaiya Palaila, Chaitanya Charitamrita. And 6 types of people, they don't want to receive the mercy of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. But Lord Chaitanya was chasing behind today. Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya, Brihaspati Avatar. Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya, he is the incarnation of Brihaspati. But he is acting the role of demon. What the demon? Advaitavadi, Mayavadi, Shankar Philosopher. He left Navadvip Dham. He went Jagannath Puri. But Mahaprabhu is thinking, I have to deliver to you. So why Mahaprabhu? He came in Navadvip Jagannath Puri. And first he also met with Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya. Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya Brihaspati avatar. Incarnation of Brihaspati, who is the Guru of heaven, Sarvaloka. And now he is acting the role of impartialist. But Mahaprabhu also chasing behind to him. Buddhist, they are completely Nastik. Mahaprabhu also delivered to them. They don't want what's saying. Kormi, Gyani, Jogi, and Pasandi, and Podua. They don't want to receive mercy of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. But Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu chasing behind to them. Because this is called the Mahaprabhu's special mercy. Mahaprabhu promised, in this incarnation I will deliver to everybody. In my Gaura Sarup, I will give mercy to everybody. Look this. Even what is called Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya, what is called son-in-law, what is his name? Son-in-law. Or who criticized him? He is the incarnation of Jatila or Kutila. What is his name? Who criticized Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was staying in the house of Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya and his son-in-law. What is his name? Son-in-law. Amog. Amog he also criticized Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. They are sannyasi, they are not sannyasi, they are bhanda sannyasi. Only eating, sleeping and chanting Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Understand? And criticize. But Mahaprabhu also delivered to him, give mercy to him. Who is Vishnu Priya Devi? In Mahaprabhu Leela, Krishna, three potencies there. Sri, Bhu and Leela Sakti. Sri Sakti, Bhu Sakti and Leela Sakti. Vishnu Priya Devi, she is, I think, Sri, Bhu or Leela Sakti something. Leela or Bhu Leela Sakti. Anyhow, you can see this. Chaitanya Charitamrita explained this. Because here Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's Krishna, he Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, but he also acting different roles, Leela. In Navadvip Dham, two things are, Oishwarya and Madhurya Leela is going on the simultaneously. He is called also Gaur Narayan. That means Vaikuntha Dham. Vaikuntha Dham, who is staying with you? Lakshmi Priya is there. So for this regard, he married first wife, Lakshmi Priya. Then he married with Vishnu Priya. Vishnu Priya, I think, is Sri Sakti or Bhu Sakti. Anyhow, this we can check. I forget this. Leela. And Vishnu Priya Leela is showing to us how to love and affection with Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. This is showing to us. If you read the life history of Vishnu Priya Devi, who can compare to Vishnu Priya Devi? Vishnu Priya Devi so much love and affection Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. In Gaur Leela, Vishnu Priya Devi, she served Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. When Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu took sannyas, then Vishnu Priya Devi, she cried. Because showing this. You have what kinds of this? And Vishnu Priya, actual who preached the Nam Sankirtan Navadvip Dham? Vishnu Priya Devi. Any ladies can do them. Since morning to midday, taking one rice, chanting Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare. So morning to midday, chanting one rice and putting. And that rice she cooked and offered to Thakurji. And half portion she offered to Sachi Mata. Half portion she offered to her servant Ishan Thakur, and rest she took, and also chanting holy names, and also always served to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. For this reason, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gave his own Vigraha, deities, Vishnupriya Saviti Vigraha. Now we'll go in, what is called? No. Mahaprabhu Savita Vigraha, and I think in Chuchura. Udharan, there is also the Mahaprabhu himself gave his own Vigraha to this. Vishnupriya Devi is here. So Vishnupriya Devi served this Vigraha. So Vishnupriya sang this song, Bhaja Gauranga, Japa Gauranga, Laha Gaurange Ramamri, Jana Gaura Bhaje, Seha Amar Pran Re. Gaur Bhajan Paddhati, actually Vishnupriya Devi, she taught to us how to Gaur Nishtha. This is the many Leelas is there. If you read this book, Mahaprabhu Tri Sakti, Bhu Sakti, Sri Sakti and Leela Sakti. Vishnupriya Devi, Service and Vigraha Seva. Vishnupriya Devi, she preached how to serve deities of Gauranga, Gauranga Vigraha Seva. This is important. And how to like Vishnupriya Devi. So in this way, different Leelas is going on. Many things. Gaur Premanand.